Those homes that sold, this just breaks down the pricing segment of the most active parts of the market. And there you can see that $400,000 to $500,000 range yet again is showing to be the most active and robust part of the real estate market. What is up? My name is Derek Sanderson and I'm a realtor with eXp Realty, serving the greater Chico, California area, and it's my passion to help educate, equip, and empower people just like you to make the best decisions possible. So with that in mind, every Monday I take a few minutes and go over what's happening in the single-family residential market here in the Chico, California area. And before we jump in, if you do me a huge favor, if you could quick like, subscribe, and comment on this video, I would greatly appreciate it. But without further ado, let's go. Let's jump in for today, Monday, March 31st. So as of this morning, 104 active listings on the market. I was at about 10 o'clock this morning. And under contract, 71 homes currently under contract in the Chico area, with a median list price on those 104 active listings coming in at $575,000, and 79 days on market is the average again for those 104 homes. Now let's take a step back and look at what's gone on in the last 7 days. We've had 18 homes hit the market and 14 go under contract, with 16 price reductions and 17 homes sold. Now, let's jump into what's happened in the last 30 days compared to the previous 30 days. We had 52 homes sell in the last 30 days. That is down almost 9% from last year. And average days on market is also down just over 18%. Now, the big question everybody wants to know is, how much is my house worth? What could I sell it for in today's market? Here's a bit of a snapshot of the last 30 days. Now, this is across the entire single-family residential home market here in Chico. The median list price was up by just over 1.5%, coming in at just over $508,000. And that median sales price up only about 0.5% to $502,600. So just a little bit higher than last year. Got to remember that real estate is hyper local. And though I go over these numbers, what hyper local means is that it can vary from neighborhood to neighborhood. And even within a neighborhood, things can vary greatly depending on the home. So it's so important to remember real estate is hyper local, and it's so important to reach out to a trusted real estate professional if you have questions about the value of your house. And for those homes that sold, this just breaks down the pricing segment of the most active parts of the market. And there you can see that $400,000 to $500,000 range yet again is showing to be the most active and robust part of the real estate market. This is backing out and looking at under asking, at asking, and over asking for those properties. I will point out here and note that the under asking, ADOM, is average days on market. For all the homes that sold under asking, they were on the market for an average of 44 days. Now look at the at asking and over asking, 7 days on the market. What that tells us is pricing matters. If you price too high, you're going to accept a lower price, and it's going to take longer to get under contract. And taking a look at the number of new listings. So far in March, 74 homes have hit the market. We were at 88 homes last year for the month of March and 76 homes in 2023. We have the potential to definitely get higher than we were in 2023. I don't know that we're going to see an additional 14 listings come on the market today to be on pace with last year. And what about homes that sold? So there you can see 53 home sales so far in March. We still have today to go, but you can see we're really right there in the sweet spot between 2023 and 2024. Now, mortgage interest rates. Total disclaimer on the front end, I am not a licensed loan officer. However, I do believe that it's important for realtors to understand the basic dynamics of what's going on with mortgage interest rates so that we can help guide our clients. If you have any questions about specific rates, you'll definitely want to reach out to your favorite lender or reach out to your favorite agent, and they can connect you with a great lender. And for today, the national average is 6.74%. We've been hanging out in that 6.7 range for a few weeks now. This is just a snapshot of what's gone on in the last 6 business days. Not a lot of changes, and it's important to note again, year over year, today it is still cheaper to borrow money to buy a house than it was the same time last year. Hey, thanks so much for checking out this week's market update. Once again, my name is Derek Sanderson. I'm a realtor with eXp Realty, and I serve the greater Chico, California area. If you have any questions of anything related to real estate, please feel free to reach out. Again, because it's my passion to help educate, equip, and empower people just like you to make the best decisions possible. And one last quick thing, if you wouldn't mind liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video, I would greatly appreciate it. Otherwise, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you very, very soon.